And a happy Friday, everybody. Can you believe it? It's April 30th, 2021. Tomorrow, as time goes by and flips over, we're already in May. How about that? My name is Jewel. This is the Weather Channel of J7409. Thanks so much for clicking play, checking out the weather with me today. And weather headlines, well, it's looking like very heavy rain and flash flooding is going to be likely across portions of southern Texas all the way through Saturday. Now, if you're in the southern central Appalachians, the mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast today, expect very gusty and damaging winds. And we got some record-breaking heat throughout Southern California, the Intermountain West, and into the Northern High Plains to end the work week. As we take a look at severe weather, it looks like the sole weather hazard is going to be associated with precipitation over the next few days. It's going to be found throughout southern Texas. Now listen up, folks. This is serious because there's going to be so much rain, and it's all because of a stall frontal boundary. It's draped across the region and a closed upper level low. Remember how I've told you never trust an upper level low? Well, it's located over the northern Mexico area, and that's going to funnel the moisture up from the western Gulf Coast of Mexico right into Texas. Now, showers and thunderstorms are already impacting parts of southern Texas, with more on the way for the first half of the weekend. Now, you're going to get so much rain. The heaviest rainfall amounts today are looking like to occur along and just inland from southern and middle Texas coastlines. Now, when all is said and done, 7 inches of rain could fall. Now, this amount of rain will lead to flash flooding where the most intense downpours occur. So you do have this chance, you see right in here, of excessive rainfall. And this does include Corpus Christi, Texas. Now, rainfall Saturday, it should gradually spread a little further north across central Texas as a frontal boundary slowly lifts in that direction. Now, also, thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and isolated tornadoes today and tomorrow across southern Texas as well. And we see it's only a 2% chance of tornadoes, but folks, be aware, watch your skies. These are going to be some severe thunderstorms and anything could happen. Not saying you're going to have a tornado, but you need to be on the outlook. Now, when it comes to severe winds and hail, right in this very same area, it's up to 5-10% chance for hail and very high gusty winds for today. So please be aware and stay safe. Now, we're looking at the current hazard map for today. Everything you see in the pink, we have these fire watches. It's critical red flag warnings, fire day. And it goes from Montana, North and South Dakota, over into Virginia and North Carolina. As you can see, the moisture and the humidity and everything else is just ripe. It's perfect for wildfires to start. And I saw where one had already started in California yesterday. So if you're in these areas, Montana, North, South Dakota, Virginia, North Carolina, please do not burn today. We've got a rapidly deepening low pressure system, and it's extending off the New England coastline right now, and it's going to produce high winds from the southern Appalachians to the northeast. Now, folks, the winds could gust as high as 60 miles per hour between northern Virginia and New Jersey. You can see right in these areas right here that's not brown. I don't know if you can tell, they're actually golden. For New Jersey, parts of Pennsylvania, all the way down, the wind's going to be a mess today. Now, this is leading to high wind warnings and advisories. Now, along with all these howling northwesterly winds, below average temperatures are going to bring a chance for late April snow showers through the Northeast and New England. Now, what you see over here, no, this is not snow. This is a freeze watch behind this system that's pushing out. We have a high coming down. You know the routine. The cold air is going to follow. So, main thing over here today from New Jersey, even the wind's going to blow up in Massachusetts and in New York, but New Jersey, parts of Pennsylvania on down, right in these areas here, is where the winds are going to be the highest, so please be aware of that. Here we have the NDFD map. It's going to show you everything through the 12Z run for Saturday, and you're going to see possibly some ice mixture along with some light snow start to happen a little later on, as I've just explained. I'll put it on loop, let it run around. All the rest of what's going on across the lower 48, well, we got well above normal temperatures, especially along the East Coast where I'm at, all the way from California to the northern and central plains today, and it's going to extend into the upper Great Lakes tomorrow. Now, it's going to be warm on the coastline of North Carolina and the eastern seaboard for today until you get up into the New England states. Enjoy it. It'll cool up a little bit. Low tonight should be 49 with a record-breaking temperature today. And this is for, once again, California to northern and the Central Plains area, upper Great Lakes for tomorrow. These temperatures should break record highs from Southern California to Montana, with 80s found as far north as the U.S.-Canada border. And once again, I've already talked about the fire weather, but it is a big concern across the northern plains. The gusty winds, the relative humidity for bad fires to start and spread are out there, as I've showed you. So please don't burn. Let's wait and see what tomorrow brings us. And hopefully it'll be better weather if you have a lot of burning that you need to do. Thanks for watching, my friends, and thank you for everything you do for me. I appreciate it very much. I love you all, and I wish each of you a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. You see what's going on here. If you're in any of these areas, please stay safe, and let's see what happens with the severe weather. I have a feeling that by next week it's going to crank up pretty high again. Hopefully not, but it looks like it might. So that's just a little heads up for you. Don't forget to remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. I would appreciate it greatly. And if you have any weather pictures you'd like to share with us, click Show More, scroll down. You'll find my email address to send them to, along with Ann Dale at the Colony. Homestead at the Colony. Ann is my collaboration partner. You'll find a link for her. Go check her out. Tell her Jewel sent you. Much peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.